Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix encrypt contents to secure data options in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Regedit. Now you can see here, Registry Editor. You have to click on this. Now click on H key local machine. Now go to System. Now click on Current Control Set. Now go to Control. Now click on File System. Now search for NTFS Disable Encryption. Here it is. Now you have to click on OK. And now you have to restart your PC. That's it. So this is how you can fix encrypt contents to secure data option in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.